was gonna say the N word, but YouTube be, effing with me. All right, y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all like and all that good stuff. We ain't gonna cuss in this. If I cuss, then I'm act like I ain't here. All right, so what I'm working on, I think this is body style. If y'all can see me in this camera, it's body style. It's 2000. Hold on, am I recording? Because I don't see my flash. I am recording. 2004 Dodge Stratus. I think this is the Stratus. Same as the C-frame, same chassis, I think. Well, not exactly, but they share a lot of common parts. So I guess on this one, car came in because of the upper control arm fell at the ball joint, damn near separated. So this job, I mean, you can do this job in your driveway. You can do it in your mom's driveway, your dad's driveway, whatever. Where you get your girl's driveway, wherever you live with. I don't know your status or whatever. It doesn't take long. It could take like 2 hours. It could take like an hour. It could take you 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. I don't know. If it takes you 6 hours, I don't think you need to be doing this. But just want to give you some tips and tricks on this. So you're going to run into a problem. You're going to understand why you can't take this upper control arm out. Let me get some light so you can see. I'm up here rambling. You won't be able to get the arm out because it's length on the other side. So it's pretty much you can't separate it one piece to get it off and like slide it out. Now it literally goes like not in the form of a circle, but goes all the way around. So like it's like linked together. It's like a 2-piece, but it's linked. If you understand what I'm saying, I'll like leave the picture. So you got your strut in the way. Well, let me tell you what I did to get this out, because I damn near got this out. So I just want to let y'all know what you got to do to get it out. So take apart your subframe bolts. Your rear subframe is 215. It's a total of 4 with 2 on each side, so it's 2 15 millimeter. Sorry, flashing the camera. It's total of 4, 2 on each side, 15 millimeter bolts. As soon as you take, they're not long and like depth or nothing like that. So just take the 2 bolts out. Let the subframe hang down. Don't worry about it. You could put a jack underneath to support it if you want to. That's up to you. But it's not going anywhere because you still got your trailer arms and caster arms and all that good stuff hooked up or whatever. So if you want to quote me on my suspension terms, go ahead, and there's always some Mr. Know-It-All on YouTube. So go ahead and correct yourself and eat a fucking cookie afterwards. Pussy. All right, what else I was about to say? So I took the bolts down. I know, right? I took the subframe bolts out. Now I got a pry bar over here. Now you see how I can move the subframe. I still got the exhaust hooked up. Leave it on the hangers. You only need about maybe 4 inches of like space to get this sneak this out. So I took apart my bolt for the the whole strut assembly, and well at the bottom more so that connects to the knuckle. So I got that. Make sure you can move it around. And took a pry bar, wedged in between the frame and the body and the frame, and wedged in between. I was able to sneak it out. So that's pretty much the technique. Just get the bolts out, hang the frame down, and get a pry bar and wedge it out, and get your get your suspension out the way, your strut out the way. So I just want to see what I did to remove it. So let me go ahead and remove it. See how it's linked together just like this. Now I want to move this strut forward and hang this knuckle down. You're pretty much going to pull it out from here, just like that. So, wait, back it up. You act like you can't speak up.
Yeah, part bitch, you Part bitch.
Let me take this off. Doc, come here.
Well, you can't even go to work fucking shop.
Anything else? Don't he look like a leprechaun? This is a part. This is why you couldn't get it off, because it's linked together, just like I said. So there's no spreading this apart. You can try. You ain't Superman. You ain't Macho Man. You ain't Bruce Banner. And you ain't Steve Rogers. So none of that shit ain't gonna work. So just remove whatever I tell you to remove, and you're gonna be good. So new one. I think it's a Dorman brand. It is Dorman. I like Dorman. They well trusted. Good warranty and all that good stuff. So this is a new one. New one goes in the same way. we took it out, but in reverse steps. So just like that. And hold on. Now I need to get the prop bar real quick because I'll show you how you go on the back end too. So that way you got a good idea. Now you're like, oh, you ain't covered the steps on what bolts you remove. It's common sense. You can't get the wheel off and you can't get these bolts out. You ain't gonna make it through the job. Being real with you, you ain't gonna make it. You know, not everything I need to be telling you guys how to remove and shit, you know.
Oh my goodness.
I'm being real with you. You know, you can't get the tire off, you get stuck, you can't get nothing. Because, you know, taking the bolts out just like, you know, taking the tire off and stuff. You just remove it.
In today's society, everybody wants them to hold their
Yeah, that's true, that's true. No, that's a waste of time for when I'm like editing and stuff, you know. Alright, so just sneak in and get a pry bar again. Get your wedge on. And she be in there like, oh, hold on, I'm pushing it back out, hold on. Hold up. Alright, this got to go right here. Don't be like me and leave the washers and the nut on. You could use the same washers over again if you want. Alright, we in there. Now, well, I think I got it wrong. Hold up. Yeah, I got it wrong. Let me flip it around. Hold on. So, I got it in correctly at the top and shit. Make sure you spray your bolts down. You know, of course, rust like to be in subframes and shit. You may have a hard time getting it out. You might not. These bolts came out good for an older car. I'm shocked. So, a good time to sneak the bolts in through the back rather than going from behind. But you kind of can get it in. But that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. What I did to get it out if you guys are having a hard time, if you're stuck in your driveway. And I'm pretty sure that's most probably a common failure. You know, the ball joint going bad. It's an old car. This car got a lot of problems. No, not this one, but you get what I'm saying. So that's that. I'm done talking. So Leekautorepair, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you goddamn subscribe. And I don't need to look at y'all to do my outro. Y'all just know what the hell to do, goddammit.